In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Canva not blurry. If you've ever designed something in Canva and then noticed it looked fuzzy, pixelated, or soft after exporting, you're definitely not alone. This usually happens because of canvas size, low quality source files, stretched elements, or export settings that are too small for your final use. The good news is that Canva gives you simple ways to avoid all of that. And once you know where to look, getting a crisp result becomes much easier. To begin, open Canva and go to your main home dashboard. Instead of choosing a small preset that may be designed mainly for web use, go to the upper right area and click custom sized. And you said this is an important starting point because setting the correct dimensions from the beginning helps preserve quality later. If you're designing for print, switch the units to inches or millimeters and enter larger dimensions right away. Starting with a properly sized canvas gives your design more room to stay sharp. Once your new canvas opens, pay close attention to the files you bring in. On the left-hand sidebar, click Uploads and choose your images carefully. If an image is already low quality, Canva can't magically make it sharp. Try to use high-resolution photos whenever possible, and if you have vector files like SVGs, even better. Those tend to stay clean and crisp when resized. This step matters because blurry source material will usually stay blurry, no matter how good your export settings are. Next, add your text by clicking text on the left side and selecting Add a heading. Canva's text is vector-based, so it usually stays sharp even when resized. For images and graphics, make sure you resize them using the corner handles. Avoid dragging the side handles in a way that stretches the image unevenly, because that can make it look distorted and blurry. As you arrange everything, use Canva's alignment guides to keep your layout neat and balanced. When your design is ready, click Share in the top right corner. Then choose Download. If your file is for social media, a website, or another digital use, select PNG. Then look for the size slider and increase it to 2x or 3x. This gives you a larger, sharper export and is one of the easiest ways to improve clarity for digital graphics. If you're preparing something for printing, go back to the File type menu and choose PDF print instead. Turn on crop marks and bleed if needed for trimming, and use CMYK color settings if your printer requires them. Finally, click Download to save your finished file. That's it. With the right canvas size, high quality uploads, careful scaling, and better export settings, your Canva designs can look much sharper every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.